Elon Musk reveals 5 new Tesla Gigafactories. Elon Musk, Tesla CEO, tweeted that he is investing over $10 billion in its Texas Gigafactory. In addition, the billionaire claimed the factory would directly create 20,000 jobs as well as indirectly create 100,000. It has been rumored that Tesla founder Elon Musk will open 2 new giant factories in Texas and Berlin before the end of the year. Rather than 1, 2, or even 5 new Tesla megafactories, Musk plans on building 5 additional Tesla Gigafactories. Are you curious to know more regarding these Gigafactories? Well, stay tuned with us. Hello everyone, welcome to Elon Musk Planet. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to never miss out on any news or updates on Tesla, its different projects, or anything else related to billionaire Elon Musk. So let's get started with the video. Now, there has been much buzz around Tesla's Gigafactory in Berlin for quite some time now. Now, what would you do as a country if you find a man in pain that can provide a lot of jobs in your country? Well, you approach him with a solution, right? Thus, in response to delays, leaders in northern England approached Tesla with the hope that it would consider building a Gigafactory there. UK officials say Tesla will not face any roadblocks or delays similar to Germany and will start construction almost immediately. Elon had planned to start production at Tesla's Berlin Gigafactory in October 2021, but due to bureaucratic hurdles and environmental concerns, Tesla has postponed the Berlin Gigafactory's grand opening to later this year. And in case you haven't noticed, there are only a few days left until the end of the year, so it will be interesting to see what Elon does to save this impossible deadline. The United Kingdom is trying to implement Boris Johnson's plan for a green industrial revolution. Also, UK Secretary of State for Business Kwasi Kwarteng praised Tesla CEO very highly. Kwasi said Elon Musk is interested in the UK, and the reason is that this is a fantastic place to invest in this technology. He wants to invest in gigafactories to be part of this green revolution. I think, frankly, since we formally left the EU, we have seen that this country is more than capable of standing on its feet and being a world leader. This is a fantastic opportunity and very interesting in the case of the Berlin Gigafactory. Elon is said to have chosen Germany for the company's 3rd major assembly plant because he wanted to leverage the design and manufacturing expertise that allowed Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Audi to dominate the global luxury car market. Back in 2019, Elon told Auto Express magazine that the uncertainty over the UK and his decision to leave the EU made it too risky to set up a European battery factory in the country. But now that Brexit has officially happened, people like Kwasi Kwarteng believe the UK is becoming increasingly attractive to companies like Tesla. It was recently reported that Elon is interested in a smart campus called Gravity based in Somerset. Also, Tesla has filed a paper with relevant authorities to become a UK energy supplier in May 2020. The UK government rushed to find a 4 million square foot site to house the new Tesla Gigafactory. As they progressed, the Gigafactory in Berlin was closing. After a letter addressed to Elon, a gravitational place was sent. Gravity is reportedly hoping to announce the company's move to a smart campus in the next few months. Now, in another part of the world, all this came soon after Japanese auto giant Nissan announced a significant expansion of its electric vehicle production in Sunderland. If all goes to plans, Nissan will build the largest gigafactory in the UK ahead of Elon, but we all know what Elon does with his competitors. He's ruining it based on how well Giga Shanghai is doing in terms of car production and inventory value. To confirm this, when asked on Twitter if Tesla will expand gigafactories in Asia outside of China, Elon confirmed that he said yes, but first we need to finish building a gigafactory in Berlin and a second US Giga to serve the eastern half of North America. Tesla is also looking to double its success in Asia. Elon confirmed that after both the next Gigafactory location will be in Asia, will not be in China, setting a Gigafactory in Japan will make more sense because it is not only close to other Gigafactories but also very close to its battery manufacturer Panasonic, which is based in Japan. Also, Tesla recently signed a new battery agreement with Panasonic to meet the demand associated with its ambitious expansion targets. Panasonic was one of Tesla's key partners and helped build and operate Tesla's first Gigafactory in Nevada too. The filing for the SEC deal virtually confirms that the battery cells will be outsourced from Japan. Tesla also takes its online presence in Japan very seriously, as it does in China. There are official Tesla Motors, a Twitter account, and even a separate blog for more information related to Tesla Japan. It is worth noting that Japan is the third largest automotive market in the world, but while Tesla dominates the global electric vehicle market, it is not nearly as popular in the Japan market. This is partly because the electric vehicle market is not that strong, and in part because foreign brands have struggled to gain market share in Japan, as the people in Japan are more inclined towards buying their own country's goods and services. According to the Japan Times in 2019, about 90% of imported electric vehicles bought in Japan are Tesla. However, their total number was less than 1,400 units, which indicates the loyalty of the Japanese to locally made cars. Tesla still dominates in a relative sense, but the real competition comes from established car makers who have mass-produced gas-powered vehicles in the millions. A dozen Roadsters were shipped to their owners in Japan from California to Yokohama. Elon was very enthusiastic about Tesla's entry into the Japanese market, which combined a high level of car enthusiasts with the interest and appreciation of advanced technology. Japan is a natural market for the Roadster. The Tesla Roadster is an uncompromising compromise that does not sacrifice design or engineering performance. And in June 2020, Tesla shocked the world by leaping through Toyota to become the world's most valuable automaker in terms of stock market capitalization. Toyota sells a lot more vehicles than Tesla, but that could change in the coming years. If that happens, it would make a lot of sense for Tesla to have a factory in Japan, just like Honda and Toyota have factories in the US today. But Japan isn't the only country in Tesla's eye. South Korea also ranks fairly high on this list. Unlike China and Japan, South Korea does not have its own Tesla division. What he has is an unrivaled love for Tesla, and Elon is sure that he doesn't mind as Japan struggles to sell Tesla and electric vehicles in general. South Korea is also in the lead and cannot get enough of them. Tesla dominated import electric vehicle sales in the country, and Elon sold many more units in South Korea than in Japan. Omar Kasi of YouTube's Hyperchange explains that he believes South Korea has been chosen to create the Gigafactory. If you had to choose between them based on how many batteries are produced there, and South Korea is known for its development in the field of battery technology. Based in South Korea, LG Chem is arguably the largest EV battery manufacturer in the world, and there are also several other major battery manufacturers in the country, SK Innovation and Samsung SDI. In 2019 alone, about $3.5 million worth of lithium-ion batteries were exported from South Korea. Hyundai and Kia are South Korea's most famous car makers, and they were much more open to the switch to electricity than Japanese car makers. If Tesla does end up opening a store in South Korea, it will be very interesting to see how the electric vehicle industry develops in the country. If you are familiar with Elon, you know that he has been keeping an eye on the Indian subcontinent for quite some time now, which makes the likelihood of Tesla opening a Gigafactory in India insanely high. Tesla's electric vehicles recently expanded recruiting for leadership positions in India and opened their first retail store in the country, according to analysts. Tesla plans to build a manufacturing facility in Karnataka state, a hub for global tech companies. Sources familiar with the situation told CNBC that Tesla's first step will be to bring imported EVs to the Indian market. Back in March, India's Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari, a longtime supporter of electric vehicles, made the deal a lot more attractive to Elon and Tesla when talking to Reuters. Gadkari said his country is poised to offer incentives that will ensure Tesla's production costs are less than any other country. If the American company decides to build its cars in India, there have been little news about Tesla's affairs in India. And we look forward to learning more about this exciting prospect very soon, but not least in Canada, a country that Elon considers dear and close to his heart. Unlike most other places we visited, this is more or less confirmed, as Tesla recently announced that it is going to open a new battery manufacturing equipment in Canada. Just like the new megafactory in California, Tesla did not make an official statement of the new project earlier this year, but the local government announced the existence of the project via Twitter in 2019. Tesla acquired a Toronto-based High-Bar Systems and equipment company that makes cars used in battery cell production. Rumors have it that Tesla may expand the team to a larger enterprise in the Toronto suburbs. We don't know about it yet, but it smells like a Gigafactory whipped up in Tesla's kitchen. In the end, it feels there's no stopping these factories now. It's like the countries are in a race to call themselves a home to one. Well, in the end, that's good for the world, right? And this brings us to the end of the video. What do you feel about this mega project by Elon? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update on Tesla or basically anything related to the multi-talented, influential tech person billionaire Elon Musk. This is all on my part. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Until then, peace out.